welcome back to yet another season of No Reservations with myself, Ayeshah Alam Khan. First of all, I want to thank all of you for all the emails that you sent in. Thank you so much. We love to hear from you. And a reminder, our email address is noreservations@dawnnews.tv. All your comments are duly noted and we've taken them into account, and we have a whole set of new guests lined up just for you to meet. Tonight's guests are fantastic. They're creative individuals, they're dynamic, they make a fantastic couple as well. Their relationship goes beyond work and profession. Who are these fantastic people? Is what you are going to have to stay tuned to find out right here on No Reservations. I'm Ayeshah Alam Khan. Good evening.